In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart object mockup in Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly insert your designs into a digital template, this tutorial is for you. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it clear and straightforward even if you're new to Photoshop. Let's begin by opening Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you haven't already launched the application, go ahead and do that now. Photoshop is the tool of choice for many designers because it offers powerful features that allow for professional grade edits. Next, you'll want to have the image ready that you want to mock up. This could be anything from a product photo you took or a template you've downloaded. Ensure that you've saved it in a place that's easy to access, as we'll be working with it shortly. Once your image is open in Photoshop, our first task will be to make a selection. This step is crucial because it helps us isolate the part of the image that will become our smart object. You can use any selection tool you're comfortable with, like the rectangular marquee tool or the lasso tool. Make sure your selection is precise. This will affect the quality of your final mockup. With your selection made, it's time to convert it into a smart object. This step allows us to work with our selection non-destructively, meaning any changes we make can be easily adjusted later. To do this, right-click within your selection and choose Convert to Smart Object from the menu. You'll see a small icon appear on the layer thumbnail indicating it's now a smart object. Now, double-click the smart object thumbnail. Doing this will open a new window where you can edit the contents of the smart object. Think of this as opening a box where you can place any design elements you wish. In this new window, you can now put your design. Whether it's a logo, graphic, or text, simply drag and drop your design onto the canvas. Use the transform tools to position and size your design as needed. You can experiment with how your design looks within the bounds of the smart object, knowing any adjustments are easy to make. Once you're happy with your design, it's crucial to save your work. Press Ctrl plus S on a PC or Command plus S on a Mac to save the changes. Close the Smart Object window and return to the original template. Your design should now appear perfectly integrated into your mockup, blending seamlessly with the rest of the image. And there you have it. You've just created a smart object mockup in Photoshop. This powerful technique can be used for a variety of projects, allowing you to showcase your work or ideas in a professional and polished manner. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.